This football pitch, played many a time on here, scored a few goals. In the last 10 years I've been lying dormant doing nothing. Look at the spaces around. What would I like to see here? A football academy. 7 or 8 football pitches. Hundreds of kids playing football, have training at night and stuff. I think it'd be fantastic. Every Saturday and Sunday these parks were full. Look at them now, lying doing nothing. Hundreds of kids now, we've got Seagulls. Scored 2 goals in there. We've got the college. Lovely building with swimming. Platform, art. And we look outside and we've got nothing but derelict land. Wouldn't it be fantastic? A big sports arena just stuck there in the middle, right on the pitches.